Hi everyone, I am going to do a simplistic bloom on this little wooden disc that I have. I got the back taped off. It's like 4 and a bit. I don't know if it's 4 inches, it might be 4 inches, I think, round. I'm going to use white base. This is a mixture of Artist Loft's Flow Acrylic and some old cell activator that I had sitting around, and it doesn't work anymore, so I mixed it with some of the Artist Loft. It's a little bit thin, on the thin side, but using ultramarine deep blue. Okay, and I'm using also my Frost, Sea Glass, and Mermaid mix that I have. And if I could show you the consistency. And I'm using Glisten and Sequence this little piggy. That other one was this little piggy as well. This is Interference. Okay, so that's all I'm using. Okay, let's go for this. Putting the ultramarine on first. Try to get as little as I can on here. I get a little air bubble. That's all you really need. A tiny little bit. On a coaster size substrate. That was the Sequence and Glisten. Now I'm putting the Mermaid, Sea Glass, and Frost on. I gotta work quickly once I get the cell activator on. mess up there. Okay, you don't need to really blow it that much either. I just blew it a little bit because when I spin it's going to move out, spread out. Okay, I'm going to take my little skewer and I'm going to make a stem for the flower. Just by bringing that down a little bit. And if it gets too thick when you spin, you can just take some of it off. All right, and then I'm going to come in with my skewer. Before I do it, I just want to show you what it looks like before I'm doing that. And I'm going to go like that. But I'm not going all the way down the stem part. I'm just going a little bit down. This one's going to look pretty. Give it a little bit of a spin before I change it. I'm going to add more paint to the edges, just to that edge there. I was just a little worried about that edge. Oops. So now I'm just going to spin just gently to see where it goes. I'm just going to move it over here a bit gently. A lot of white spots. Not sure why that is. Okay, I think that's it. Just need to add some white over here. Okay, that's it. Okay, yeah, all the edges are on. Still pretty. I want to get rid of some of the wide stem at the bottom, so I'm just going to just take some of that off. Almost looks like a cloud, bit of a cloudy pour over here. I don't know, I think it looks okay. I'm gonna leave it. And I will show you a better close-up after this. Here's the close-up.